Welcome to the next section. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to talk to Gemini. While we will keep building on those fundamentals, it is time to level up. We are moving beyond basic back and forth prompts to explore Canvas and Gems. We will begin with Canvas, a side-by-side workspace where you can edit text, compare versions, and iterate on your work without starting from scratch every time and do much more. Then we will learn Gems. These are like custom-made specialists that remember your specific rules, so you don't have to repeat them. We are going to build two of them together, a grammar and spelling reviewer. This gem acts as a professional editor to proofread your writing while keeping your voice unchanged, and an AI fitness coach. This one can watch your workout videos, check your form for safety, and even design custom motivational backgrounds for your phone. By the end of this section, you won't just be sending prompts. You will be creating your own personal team of experts to turn your quick thoughts into finished pieces of work or to automate your routines. Let's get started.